everyone, myself Zafar from Oak Park Commerce Club. Today we are back with a very important topic, GST, Goods and Services Tax. With me, I have my friends Amina, Tanvishri, Sadia, Arhan. Together we are going to discuss what is GST, why it was introduced and how it really works. So let's start this mini conversation. Hey Amina, did you know what GST means?
GST means Goods and Service Tax, which is a single tax used for whole country. Earlier time, we had many taxes like VAT, service tax and excise duty, which was confusing. So, the government replaced all of them with a simple tax.
But Amina, is GST really that much important? Why couldn't we continue with the old taxes?
Good question. The old system had a problem called tax on tax, in which we were paying tax again and again. So GST removed all that confusion. Now we have only one tax for whole country in much cleaner and fair.
Actually, why GST was introduced?
The main reason GST was introduced because India wanted one nation, one tax. Earlier, every state has different rules, goods became costly and taxes piled up at every step. GST made everything uniformity. Wait, but how does removing old taxes make things cheaper? I am not able to understand fully. When there is only one tax, it reduces extra costs on transportation, billing and production. It helps keep the prices stable. That's why GST is helpful.
How does GST really works?
Let me explain it with a simple example. Suppose a company makes a toy, they pay GST to the shop. The shop sells to us and pay GST again. But they also get input tax credit, which means they don't pay fully tax again. They only pay for the value they add.
Input tax credit. Sounds confusing. Can you explain that part again?
Sure. Input tax credit means if you already paid GST earlier, you get credit for it. So no double tax. You only pay for the value they add. That's why GST is fair.
Can anyone give more clarity? Are there any types of GSTs?
There are three types of GST. CGST goes to central government. IGST used when goods go from one state to another. SGST goes to state government.
So Tanvi, if I buy something from Telangana to Hyderabad, what GST applies and what if it comes from Maharashtra?
If you buy inside Telangana, CGST plus SGST. If something comes from another state's IGST, as simple as that.
Thank you Tanvi for explaining the different types of GSTs.
Does anyone can say where this GST money is used for?
GST money is used for the development of the country. Schools, hospitals, roads, metro trains, defense and many other services. GST also helps the government track businesses' activities clearly.
So basically, GST isn't just a tax, it is helping build whole country, right?
Exactly. GST makes the economy transparent, strong and well organized. It helps the people, businesses and the country.
If you like this short guide, follow Oak Park Commerce Club. So the next month, we'll explain how the union budget is made and passed. Till the time, bye-bye.